Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to enable two-factor authentication on your ChatGPT mobile app. So first of all, open up the ChatGPT app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in the home page of ChatGPT, go to the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu button. Now click on your name at the bottom, and then this will bring up the settings menu. From settings, choose security option. You will see the multi-factor authentication option on the next page. Toggle on the button right next to it and click on the continue button in the pop-up. You will then be able to see the code displayed on the screen. You can copy the code by tapping copy code and then download any authenticator app of your preference and enter the provided code inside it. If you want to scan QR code instead, tap the Scan QR Code button. Now use any other device and scan the QR code from your chosen authentication app. Open up App Store or your Google Play Store to download the Authenticator app. You can download the Google Authenticator app for easy access. After downloading the app, open the app and log in with your email address. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap the plus button. Click on Enter a setup key or scan the previous code by tapping on Scan a QR code button. I'm just gonna tap on Enter a setup key option. Now you can enter your account's name. I'm gonna choose ChatGPT. Copy the code that you previously generated from ChatGPT and then enter it in the authentication app under your key. Now select the type of the key, which can be time-based or counter-based, and tap Add at the bottom. Now you have successfully generated an authentication code. Get back to ChatGPT and then enter the currently generated code, and after entering the code copied from the authentication app, you will then be able to enable the two-factor authentication on your ChatGPT app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple, easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.